All right, it's Senior Prestige Motorsports. We are in our what we call our prep room. This is kind of where we do all our deburring, tapping, soft plug, pressure testing of all the blocks that go through our process. And we had kind of heard a little rumblings about a customer that had a couple marine motors, and it came from a fairly large crate engine company, had their own blocks, and the, uh, the, the oil hole that feeds the cam bearing was not drilled all the way through. So naturally, the cam bearing didn't get oil spun, so causing them pretty good grief here. So I'm going to kind of do a real short little clip of how that really can't happen here, or how we will catch it. So first thing we do basically is we do a process that's called flapper. It's basically this rod here, it's got emery cloth on it, and we go through all the oil galleys, whether it's a new block or a reconditioned block. New blocks, what we're trying to do is get any deburrs that were from machining and stuff out of that oil galley, polish it nice and clean. If it's a used block, try to get the baked oil out of there, things of that nature that didn't get done. So at that point in time, his responsibility is to make sure the oil passages are clear, and they do go all the way through. So we have different sizes of them, like this and stuff. So at that point in time, he would catch something of that nature that it didn't go through. That's one of his responsibilities. So, and then when we go to final clean a block, same thing. We take these brushes, before they put it in the cleaning vat, have these brushes, we put them on drills, and we run them through all the oil galleys again, and with some cleaning fluid and stuff like that before we even put it in the vat. A lot of people don't do this. They just take it out of the machine, put it in, rock and roll, go. At that point in time too, you would understand that you're all of a sudden you go through that main galley and it's a blank hole. You should catch it there and at that point in time too. So there again, we just don't assure that the jet clean is going to clean all those oil galleys good. We go through that process again. Okay, and then the last one is the assembler. One of his responsibilities is when he gets it, he takes a rod of like this nature, puts a paper towel at the end of it, and he runs it through the holes. And there again, his responsibility is to make sure that the oil holes are clean, that paper towel doesn't come out there dirty, okay? And that one of the other deal is to assure that the oiling system is correct, that all the passages, he understands it, and they're clean, they're thorough, and things of that nature. So we have 3 different procedures to catch things of that nature, and you wonder, well, geez, that's a lot. Well, over the years of doing this, quite a few years, you've seen all those kind of things. So you try to put in process things that would stop that or catch it. And we do that just to make sure that you have a good experience and the product is up to the quality standards that we feel it should be. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.